Alright guys, we're going to the bathroom. Where's the bathroom? I hit the wall. It's like a maze. I think it's like one of those office kind of things. Wait! Oh my god, I can't get out this way. Where are you going? Ooh, that's a pretty picture. I like it.
We gotta find the bathroom.
Okay. Oh.